I lost my wireless microphone, and maybe my voice won't be that good. And what's going on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this another brand new hair clipper from KEMEI with the model number 1767. Okay, it's a magnetic hair clipper. Yo, and 3.5 hours charging time and 90 minutes operating time. That's not good. That's a lot of charging time and it's really less operating time. Okay, and the specs, what else? Yeah, 3000 milliamp battery, 5 watts. Okay, comes with two colors, one gold and the other one blue. Yeah, that's it. So this is it. This is the clipper. Got a display here. Okay, charging port. No USB-C or something like that. Okay, power button. Got 4 clicking lever, or I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clicking lever, yeah. The clicking lever is not smooth. You have to know. It's not smooth at all, as you can see. Okay. And this lever not a good quality lever. The material is not good, you see. So when you tighten it, then it won't really move. So it's not a good one. Yeah, I didn't want to buy this hair clipper before. I just saw it. It was 25 euros. So I said, okay, let me just buy it and let's see if maybe it's really good. I know it won't be good. That's why I didn't want to buy it before. So for me, it's not a good clipper. So it comes with a fade blade. As you can see, it's written KEMEI DLC. So, and here you can see through. Okay, it's a magnetic hair clipper. Yeah, and the plastic, it's not a quality plastic. So now sound check. So as you can hear, it's, for me, it doesn't give a good sound. I don't know if maybe it's loud or not, but maybe because of the housing, it doesn't sound good to me. I don't know. So for me, if you are a barber, I don't advise you to buy this hair clipper. The housing, not good quality. I guess because of the housing, the sound is not good. It's just like, I don't know if maybe you still remember this hair clipper. It's, for me, it's just the same. Just this one came loud with a weird noise. I mean, with a weird sound. You know, this one at the beginning it's quiet. This is quiet now. But when you cut hair with it, then it gets louder. This is the problem I got with this one. You know. So now let's take a look what they got for us. Inside comes with normal stuffs, little brush, charging cable, okay, comb, and 4 guide combs. That's it. So, it's not that heavy. It got normal weight. It feels okay. So So this is it, guys. Okay, now let me turn it on. I don't know. And compared to this one, it is very quiet. The housing of this one is more expensive than all these cheaper ones, so it is quiet. So this is it. Ah, it's broken. Okay, I need to fix it. So now it's completely soldered now, as you can see. So, and it works. And I want to put this one here. Maybe it will help with the sound. So with the sound, does it help or not? I don't know. Okay, well, let's make an RPM test. So that's it for the unboxing of this KEMEI, and peace, man.